Here is a cold start video on my 1996 HZJ75 Land Cruiser Pickup. The ambient temperature right now here in Central Texas is about 65 degrees. I just opened the garage, fired this thing up a couple of days ago, so it's been sitting, it's nice and cool. Let me walk over here to the radiator and just put my hand on it, and it's cold to the touch. And then let me come on in. I've got a water temp gauge, so I can show you that before I even fire it up. Let me turn on the ignition here. So it's reading, the lowest the gauge range is, let me turn off the radio, sorry. The lowest the gauge range is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not even reading right now. It's on the low end of the spectrum. So let's see here. Just fires right up. You can see water temp is still at less than 100 degrees, so it's plenty cool. And then the main gauge, which is not very accurate, but it's all the way off the cold chart. So that's the cold start. Let me walk around, I'll show you it running.